Welcome to Smart Stockwatch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 1st, 2025, and we're diving into Mastercard's first quarter earnings report for 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stockwatch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Mastercard's latest financial performance.
Let's get started with a brief overview of Mastercard. Known for its global payment solutions, Mastercard has just released its Q1 2025 earnings. John, what are the highlights from this report?
Mastercard reported a strong start to 2025 with a net revenue of $7.3 billion, marking a 14% increase year over year. The adjusted diluted EPS came in at 373 cents, surpassing the analyst forecast of 357. This growth is driven by robust cross-border volume and strategic partnerships.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Mastercard reported a net revenue of $7.3 billion for Q1 2025, which is a 14% increase compared to last year. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. The revenue growth was primarily driven by a 15% increase in cross-border volume, which highlights the strength of Mastercard's global payment network. Additionally, the company's value-added services and solutions contributed significantly, with a 16% increase in net revenue.
And how did this impact their profitability?
Mastercard's adjusted diluted EPS was 373 cents, beating the analyst forecast of 357 cents. This reflects a 13% increase from the previous year, showcasing the company's ability to leverage its revenue growth into higher profitability.
Operational efficiencies and strategic initiatives. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies and strategic initiatives. How is Mastercard managing its operations?
Mastercard has maintained a strong operating margin of 59.3%, up from 58.8% last year. This is a result of effective cost management and strategic investments. The company launched Mastercard Agent Pay and announced a partnership with Corpay to enhance its corporate cross-border payment solutions.
These initiatives seem promising. How do they align with Mastercard's long-term strategy?
These initiatives are part of Mastercard's strategy to diversify its offerings and strengthen its position in the global payments landscape. By partnering with companies like Microsoft and OpenAI, Mastercard is positioning itself at the forefront of payment innovation.
Market reaction and shareholder returns. How has the market reacted to Mastercard's earnings report, and what does this mean for shareholders?
The market has reacted positively, with Mastercard stock seeing an uptick following the earnings release. The company repurchased 4.7 million shares at a cost of $2.5 billion and paid $694 million in dividends, demonstrating a strong commitment to returning capital to shareholders.
That's impressive. What does this indicate about Mastercard's financial health?
It indicates a robust financial position, allowing Mastercard to continue rewarding shareholders while investing in growth opportunities. The remaining $11.8 billion under approved share repurchase programs further underscores their confidence in future performance.
CEO insights and future outlook. Finally, let's discuss the insights from Mastercard's leadership. What did CEO Michael Miebach have to say about the company's performance and future outlook?
Michael Miebach emphasized the strong start to 2025, highlighting the 14% revenue growth and the company's steady drumbeat of innovation. He mentioned that despite global uncertainties, Mastercard's diversified and resilient business model positions it well to navigate various economic environments.
That's reassuring. How does this outlook affect investor sentiment?
Investors are likely to remain optimistic given the company's strong performance and strategic initiatives. Mastercard's ability to innovate and adapt to changing market conditions bodes well for its long-term growth prospects.
Key takeaways. In summary, Mastercard has delivered a strong performance in Q1 2025, with impressive revenue growth and profitability. The company's strategic initiatives and shareholder returns further enhance its investment appeal. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Mastercard's performance.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Mastercard's performance in the comments below. Until next time.